This is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, I'm in my van vlogging for the first time in a long time. Women out there, if you don't have a man that drives a minivan, go find one, because real men drive minivans, like I always say. Yes, it is true. Just don't ask any questions. Just find your man, give him a minivan, and bam, you'll be like all over him. But that's not the purpose of this video. I want to discuss the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I want to give you my first impressions on it and discuss stuff that I did not discuss in my unboxing video while I drive to work. Yes, I did an unboxing video. If you haven't checked that out, look in the description. I will have a link to that video. Hopefully I can put it in there. Yes, I'm shooting this video with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in 4K at 30 frames per second. It is stuck on my windshield, so y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Man, the video looks pretty good so far, but I just want to discuss some things about the phone and go over what I'm liking and what I'm not liking about the phone. Overall, the phone is a beast. I mean, the phone is a perfect size. I like the bigger size of the phone. The square edges, it is what it is. You just have to get used to it. But it's not that bad, but I like the size. It's right up there with my OnePlus 7 Pro. Dude, why? I know you have to yield, but go, bro. Nobody's coming. Go. But you have the overall size is great. One thing I don't like about the phone is the UI, the icons, just the look of it. I've been saying this in the chats all the time, is that the icons look childish and they look worse than LG. And LG's icon has been getting hate for, the last couple of years that I have been dealing with phones and talking to people on the internet. But definitely the icons, the UI look is just blah. You have to put some type of theme on there, find something that you like from Samsung's website, and get a different icon pack. I mean, it's not a deal breaker. Again, these are my opinions. You might get the phone and like the icon packs. These people do not know how to drive in Texas. What are you doing, bro? Why are you getting over? You just gotta get back over anyway. But overall, the icon pack, yeah, you can change it. The speakers on here seem great. I will be testing out these speakers against the OnePlus 7 Pro really soon. Yes, I'm stuck in traffic. I hate traffic, by the way, y'all. What y'all think about traffic? Traffic sucks. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. How does it look and sound? I will be uploading this straight from the phone, so hopefully it comes out great. Hopefully I don't have to edit me out cursing people out because they don't know how to drive. Or maybe I don't know how to drive. Maybe I'm the problem. But also on here, the camera seemed really good. I don't know if it's better than the S10 Plus. I don't have the S10 Plus anymore. But I know the cameras will look good. The video right now looks really good. It looks stable too. And my van shakes, and it's on a not the most expensive holder on the windshield. So it actually looks really good right now. I can't wait to see it when I get it home, or get it off of the phone onto the computer or something watching the video. Also, I love the color of this phone. The color is great. The S Pen, they seem like they improved the S Pen a lot. It seems like it's built a little bit sturdier. The little air gestures are a joke. I mean, I don't think I will ever use it. Writing with the S Pen seems better too. I don't know, something smoother about it. One thing I want to bring up too is the fingerprint scanner, the in-display fingerprint scanner. It is better now than what it was on the S10 Plus. It's a lot more accurate. They did add the fingerprint spot when you have the always on display. One thing about the fingerprint scanner too, it is a little bit slower. I mean, it's just a millisecond. You can just, at least to me, I can see it when it tries to open it. It does take its time to register your finger and then open the phone. Again, are these deal breakers? Nope, but I'm gonna just point it out. If I can get that in the video, I will definitely show y'all. But back to the cameras, I need to do some more tests on that. Stay tuned. I think I'm going to put it against the OnePlus 7 Pro and maybe even my daughter's iPhone XS Max. I don't know. Maybe if I have time to do the comparison videos that take a while. But overall, my first impression of the phone is great. I know people are going to say, is it worth the price? Man, let's not talk about price. Second day I have the phone. We'll talk about price later on. Is it an expensive ass phone? Yes, I can say that right now. The phone is expensive. If you have other phones to trade in, you'll be dumb not to trade it in to get this phone, because you can save, $600 on it. But it is an expensive ass phone. We'll talk about the price in a later video. Then I can tell you if it's worth it or not. I don't know. For me, it's worth it because I like phones and I like technology, but it is what it is. Each person is different. If you have the phone, let me know what phone you got, what color. If you got the Note 10, I haven't seen many videos on the Note 10 yet on YouTube. I know a lot of people are getting their phone. Shout out to Android Stud. He dropped his video. I know Phone Tech at Work is probably going to get one. RP3 Tech Reviews will drop his video soon. Now, BG Tech Life, who knows? He might do videos from Best Buy, just like I did. Man, the traffic is horrible in the morning time. Hate going to training. It takes too damn long. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. If you have any comments, let them down. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Shit, if you don't even like the video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know what you didn't like about it. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, do that at Forrest Reviews. Also, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Have a safe day, too. Hopefully I get out of this traffic really soon because it's irking my nerve. But peace. I'm out of here.